Hello students, so this particular scrapbook is given to you all from the school. So this scrapbook has two sections. One is the single line part and one is the plain part. Okay, now when we talk about the single line part, what you're supposed to do here is, see, there is a date column here. So whenever you all are doing a project, you have to write the date of the project here and the topic. Suppose it is English expedition, if it is science or social studies or whatsoever, you have to write the topic here. Okay, and the pictures or the drawing or whatever part, you have to stick it on the plain area here. So every page will have this format. See here, it is plain part with single line. Okay, see here, so it goes on. So you have to write your informations into this single line part, and you can draw pictures or maybe you can stick pictures in the plain area. So I hope you people must have understood how to write or how to make your projects in a scrapbook. The scrapbook is given to you all from the school. तो आपको SA1 के लिए 20 marks है project के लिए. तो that 20 marks you will be getting by using all your subjects project. You have to do it in this scrapbook and submit it to us. Once you do that, okay, there is one more thing which I need to explain is the index page. So whatever date you all do, whatever date you all write to do the project, you have to mention that date here, and then the topic, maybe like science or EVS, whatever project you all are doing, and accordingly you have to mention it here. Marks, grade and signature will be of the teacher, so you need not write anything on this particular section. Okay, at the end of the scrapbook there is a certificate. Once we go through your projects, we'll give you marks and we'll assign you the grades and we'll stamp and give it to you all later. Okay children, so I hope you all must have understood how to use the scrapbook. Okay children, now after seeing the scrapbook details, let us see what is there in the project. Date of submission of the project. Date of the submission of the project is 26th of October this month. Okay, 26th October 2020 is the date of the submission of the project. The timing is given to you all. It's 10 AM to 1 PM. So this is the time your parents are supposed to come and submit the project in the school. Along with the project book, scrapbook, they are also supposed to come and submit your notebooks and textbooks. We will correct it and give it back to you on 29th of October. जब 29 को parents वापस आएंगे, will be giving them the notebooks and textbooks, but not the project book. Project book will be handed over to the parents only with your results, because we need to grade them, check them. Okay, so it will take some time. So project carries 20 marks and your books carry 10 marks. So you will get a buffer 30 marks from us, and rest other thing you will have to get it after oral and also with the MCQs which will be giving it to you. Okay, now let's start with the project details, how it is. English expedition subject. What you're supposed to do is you have to make a poster showing stop plastic pollution in ocean or sea. So with to make this particular poster, एक poster बनाना है, तो you can use a plain area of the scrapbook to do this. You can include the topics like a relevant picture, drawing or photograph of this particular plastic pollution. You can use a slogan. You can also add a brief message. Okay, you can add a brief message on this particular topic. So this is how you're going to make a poster of stop plastic pollution in ocean, sea. Okay, the next subject is physics. Physics, you have to draw clinical thermometer and write about it. So drawing part of the clinical thermometer or sticking picture part of the this particular section, you can do it in the plain area of the scrapbook, and writing about it, you can do it in the single line area. You can refer to your physics textbook for the same. Okay, the next subject is biology. Now in biology, what you can do is refer to page number 8 in your textbook. You can see there is a flower drawn there with different labeling part. So whatever is the labeled part, you have to write at least one line about each part. Okay, you can do this project in your scrapbook, the drawing and the labeling part at the plain area, and writing about the each part, that you can do it in the single line area. I will show it how you can do this. I'll first show you this is the flower and it is being labeled, so you can do this part in the plain area part, and about each part, maybe like if I talk to you all about the stigma, so stigma के बारे में you have to write one line, then about the style, about the anther, about the filament, petals, calyx, corolla, and everything. So you have to write one line each about the labeled part, okay, in your scrapbook. So when I'm talking to you that you have to write it in the scrapbook, how are you going to do it? In the scrapbook, the drawing part you can do it here and labeling and all, and about them like number 1 calyx, underline करो highlight करके, and then calyx के बारे में one line about it, so you can write it here. Number 2, leave one line, and number 2, what is the second part you need to write about. So those everything you can write it in the single line area, okay. Next is chemistry. In chemistry, write name of 24 elements and its symbols. Refer to page 20 of your textbook and write the name of the compounds with its formula. Okay, refer to page 23 of your textbook. Do this project in your scrapbook. So at least I require 10 compounds. Okay children, 10 compounds and 24 elements. So I will show you your textbook how it is. You can write it the way you want it. You all can see this. This is the elements with its symbols. तो आपको elements one below the other आप लिख सकते हो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 जैसे है ना, एक के नीचे एक जो single line part है वो भी यूज कर सकते हो. You can also use a plain part. So there are total 24 elements in your textbook, so you have to write that, and you have to also write 10 compounds with its formula. So 10 compounds can be this. These are the 10 compounds with its formula. So this is the project for chemistry. Okay. Now next is history. Now in history, what you're supposed to do is refer to page 29 in your textbook. Take a photocopy, that is Xerox लेना है, photocopy of the picture, and cut and paste it in your scrapbook and answer 3 questions asked in that page. There are 2 projects of history. There are 2 projects of history, so you have to mention. You have to do both this project. So I'll show you how it is. One is page 29, one is page 39. आपको क्या करना है, फोटो कॉपीज निकालने दोनों के भी, ओके और इसके 3 क्वेश्चंस जो है ये आपको आंसर करने हैं. तो आई विल शो यू इट इन द टेक्स्ट बुक itself. So if you see here, I have the textbook of history. This is page number 29, okay, and this is page 39 in which you'll have this particular picture. तो आपको इसका जेरोक्स निकालना है, इसका फोटोकॉपी, ब्लैक एंड वाइट भी चलेगा. एंड सी हियर, दिस इज, इफ इट इज कलर्ड पिक्चर इट विल बी मोर ब्रिलियंट और it would be really good to see the project. So if it is black and white, still it's fine with me. तो ये इसको कट करना है. You have to cut it properly and stick it in your scrapbook and answer the 3 questions based on it. Same goes here. You have to cut it and stick it in your scrapbook and answer to these questions which has been asked here about the picture given here. Okay. Let's see geography, the last subject, not last, we have more languages to go for. Okay, SS, there are only 2, history, geography. In geography, in a scrapbook, make a chart of the conventional and signs and symbols used in the maps. So you can refer to page 14 in your textbook. Have a look at this guys, chart of conventional signs and symbols. Okay, so ये maps में use होता है. You have to draw this and write it properly. So you can use the single line area or maybe the plain area, whatever, however your creativity is more important. So rather than me telling you what you're supposed to do, so please do this part. So geography, this is the project of chart of conventional signs and symbols, page number 14. Okay, then we have maths as a subject. In that there is a practice time page in your book. You have to refer to page 145 and 158. 145 and 158 for this. I'll just show it to you. See in your textbook page 145, in which this is a practice time. So in this practice time, it starts from here till the next page here. It's very small. See here in the next, then that part is very small, and then you have the new page here. Okay, this whole thing you'll have to do it in your book. Okay guys, and then the next page is 158. Page 158, practice time. You can see this. So this everything what is there till question number 10 we have it. Then it is think smart, that is not required till here. So this is all you all have to solve it in your scrapbook. When I'm telling you all to do it in the scrapbook, you can start using a single line, not this area, because when you're writing with pen this should be clear. So if it's not clear, then not worth, right? So you can use the lighter shade if it is there, then you can use a pen and all, you can solve it here also, no problem. So you can use both this part, single line as well as the plain part, but make sure that the plain area should be little lighter shader, so that whatever you write should be visible. Okay, so you can use both this part to write your maths worksheet, maths project. Then we have Hindi. You are supposed to write an essay about pollution, okay, and at least 150 words. Pollution is pradushan. Okay, if your project is Hindi, then you have to write everything in Hindi. You can also draw relevant pictures and stick pictures based on this topic, pollution. If you want, you can add on some slogans or maybe some sayings, proverbs, anything as such. Okay, then is Marathi. Write an essay on my mother, Maji Ai. In your scrapbook in Marathi, everything has to be in Marathi. Make sure, because when you're writing a project on Marathi, it has to be that language only. So refer to page 12 in your textbook. Okay, it will give you a clear picture on how you have to write your essay. Okay, so in your Marathi book, page number 12, you can refer. You have to stick your mother's photo in the plain area, because you're writing an essay about your mom. Okay, so this is the end of all. So I have already explained you everything very clearly. So all the best guys, and make sure that you do it with a very innovative and creative way. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye.